You are going to love the 2025 X1. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.